Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we will create an obstacle detection and distance measurement system using an ultrasonic sensor. This project is mapped with multiple sustainable development goals, some of which are as follows: SDG 3, SDG 8, SDG 9, and SDG 11. For this project, we are going to use some jumper wires, an ultrasonic sensor, a breadboard, Arduino Uno, a resistor, an LED. Let's take a look at the circuit diagram of the project. Now, let's start building. Take your ultrasonic sensor and connect its pins using jumper wires as shown here. Connect its VCC and GND pins to the breadboard's positive and negative power rails. Grab your Arduino and connect the trig and echo pins of the ultrasonic to digital pins 9 and 10, respectively. Now, place an LED on the breadboard. Connect the anode, long leg, of the LED to the resistor. Use jumper wires to connect the cathode, short leg, of the LED to the negative power rail of the breadboard and the anode to the digital pin 3 on the Arduino. Again, use jumper wires to connect the power rails of the breadboard to the 5V and GND of the Arduino to supply the power to the circuit. Use the USB cable to connect the Arduino to the computer to upload the program. This is the sketch we are going to upload to the Arduino. The link to download the project file is available in the description, or you can visit our official website www.edusoftrobotics.com for project codes and more support. Now, select your microcontroller, here Arduino Uno, and click on Upload to upload the code. Once uploaded, the project should look like this.